Hi, it's Rich at Rich's Mobile Auto Repair. What we're looking at here is the underhood of a 2005 Acura TL. This happens to be a single mom that I know. Her husband divorced her, and I helped her with a misfire, bad ignition coil last week, and in the process noticed that we had a split boot here. And if you look at it a little further, we've got a big split there too. So I am helping this woman with a car repair ministry I do, and this would be no charge to her. I have customers of mine that donate towards people like this, and so I'm gonna help her out this morning, and she can focus on getting back on her feet and know that her car is going to be safe and dependable. And really simple repair. Just some hose clamps, and swap this out.